In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or copy a survey in Surveymonkey using the latest, most reliable methods. Whether you need to make a backup, share with a colleague, or build upon an existing survey, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's start with the first option: copying a survey within your account. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Surveymonkey account. Once you're in, head over to your My Surveys page. It's here that you'll find all the surveys you have created or have access to. Now, look towards the top right corner of this page, where you'll see a button labeled Create Survey. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a few choices. To proceed with duplicating a survey, you'll want to select the option that says Copy an existing survey. With that option chosen, you'll now browse through your list of available surveys to find the one you wish to duplicate. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to give your new survey a name. Once you've settled on a name, click Copy Survey. This action will instantly duplicate your survey, which will open in the editor. This is where you can make any necessary changes to the questions or settings without affecting your original survey. Next, let's talk about the second option, which is using the Survey List menu to duplicate. Start by navigating back to your My Surveys page, where all your surveys are listed. Find the one you'd like to duplicate, and then look just beside it for the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the More menu. From the list that appears, select the option that says Copy or Make a Copy. Once again, you'll be asked to name your new survey, so put down a name that you'll easily recognize for future reference, and then confirm your actions. The duplicated survey should now appear in your account, ready to be edited or shared as you see fit. The third and final option is sending a copy of the survey to another user. Returning to the More menu next to the survey you wish to share, choose the option labeled Send a Copy. You'll then need to enter the email or username of the other Surveymonkey user you want to send it to. Remember, they need to have a paid account for this feature to work. Once you've entered their details, the copy of the survey will be transferred to their account, and your original survey will remain intact. These options provide you with the flexibility to manage your surveys efficiently, whether it's for team collaboration or personal project management. Feel free to explore these techniques and use the one that fits your needs best.